Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna roll here guys, I'm doing videos. I've even got my tripod up. Unfortunately, my camera, I broke it. I'm really annoyed about it. But annoyed at myself because I did it. But anyway, but this time I've got my tripod set up. I'm not even just like sitting my phone just down there. Like I'm doing this guys, I'm doing it. Anyway, so today I thought I'd film a little video for you guys about Look Fantastic. Now everybody's got their like, I feel like so many companies are doing it now, where they have like little boxes where they give makeup away every month. Not away, not for free, where they give makeup in little boxes every month for you to try new makeup. And I've kind of wanted to do that. I've kind of wanted to join one for quite a while. I didn't even look into it that much, to be honest with you, and to see which one I wanted to go for. I just kind of went for it. So I got one from Look Fantastic, and it literally came within like 3 days. Really fast for some reason. But yeah, I thought I'd open it up with you guys and see what kind of things you get in there, and maybe I'll try some things out with now. I have full face of makeup, but there's some beauty skincare stuff in there I think as well. So let's have a look. Ooh, this is so cute. This is actually really cute. Also, I'm going to keep the box forever and a day. So this is the little box that it comes in. It's really cute and I'm loving this colour. I don't know if it comes in this colour every month, but that's really cute. And I can use this as like birthday boxes, because otherwise it'll just be a waste, you know what I mean? It doesn't feel heavy, kind of boring. But let's have a look inside. Ooh, okay. So, oh my god, why am I shaking? So it comes like this, and you get this little booklet. Let's have a look. Ooh, get lost in the wilderness, you were born to be free. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. Contents, what's in the box. I don't want to know what's in my box before I open the box. Duh. Ooh, face masks. We're definitely going to try that. Got some cute things in here. Is this what's in my box? No, for here, this is exfoliant. Some brands I've never heard of before, some brands I have heard of before. Okay, let's get stuck into the box. That's really cute. I have to open this up. Can't do it with one hand. I don't want to rip it. Also, am I the only person that, like, if they get anything, like, say Victoria's Secret, you go to Victoria's Secret, they put like the tissue paper in the bag for you. Am I the only person that like actually keeps the tissue paper and then uses it for someone's present? Because I actually do that. And like, it's a good way to recycle. Oh no, I've ripped it. It's a good way to recycle your tissue paper, because instead of buying loads of tissue paper, I just use that. So I'm definitely going to use this for that. This looks like mostly, I don't know how many things you're supposed to get in the box, but this looks like mostly skincare to me. Let's have a look. Oh, I've wanted to get one of these. Yes, I've actually wanted to get one of these. So this is microfiber cleansing cloth, and it just removes your makeup with water, and you can use this cloth over and over again. I literally have so many Liz Earle cloths in my cupboard. Whenever I get something from Liz Earle, obviously I just keep the cloth, but now it's going to be more sanitary, even though I put them in the washing machine and everything. This is really cute, but it says literally you just remove makeup with water, so you just wet the cloth and then you just remove your makeup. So it says, before using a magnetone wipeout cleansing cloth, pop it into the washing machine at 30 degrees, ready to wipe away your makeup, wet the cloth with warm water. Using circular motions, gently wipe away the makeup, and that's literally it. So I definitely want to try that out. Next, so from Ico, I feel like I've heard of them before. We have some brow gel, Style and Define. And normally I just use Benefits brow gel. Is it clear? Oh no, it has a colour to it. It has a colour to it. Can you see that? It looks quite dark, so it'd probably be alright for my brows, to be honest with you. That's cute. Oh, what's this? Hyaluronic Pumping Mist. Now we have Balance Me at my work, but we don't have a massive range of it, so I've never seen this one. Created to effectively quench, plump, brighten and rejuvenate. Oh, I love that word, rejuvenate. Skin throughout the day. Spray onto cleansed skin and pat in until fully absorbed. It's 99.9% natural, and I'm pretty sure that's most of their products. It's also vegan. Oh, okay, excited to try that one then. Very excited. What else do we have? Ooh, is this a lip tint? Oh, I love lip tints because my lips are literally like the colour of my skin, so it doesn't look like I have any lips when I don't have any lipstick on them. But this is a lip tint, 100% natural moisturising tint with edible plant-based fragrance and addictive free. It's a sweet potato pigment. I can't smell it. It's got a nice pigment to it. You just see the brown stuff on there. But you see that shine? That is the lip tint. Doesn't taste very nice. This is Dr. Lip, it's called. Interesting. It's really cute. Look how small that is. You can just pop that in your little bag. That is very cute. I'll definitely lose it though. It's still going though, which is cute. Okay, so we have shea butter sweet almond morning rice. Ooh, moisture surge overnight treatment. Okay, I love overnight treatments because during the night time your skin is the driest because you're not giving any moisture to it, you're not drinking, so you're sleeping, so you need something that is gonna keep your skin moisturized throughout the night. So for me, I love overnight treatments. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin and no need to wash off. Yeah, that's cool. My skin is quite sensitive though, especially to trying like new things. Even though being at the job that I have, I've started to try quite a few new things and my skin hasn't been that bad, although I do kind of stick to the same routine. But I still have tried quite a few new things. Gosh, I can't speak today. And that's quite a nice size as well because you're not going to use a lot because it's a moisture treatment anyway. I saw Moisture Surge and I thought it was Clinique, but it's not. It's called Avant. Cute. You can't even see it. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, my camera actually focused for once. And what do we have here? Ooh, okay. This is a Greek brand. It says made in Greece. I don't understand. Whipped face mask to instantly cool, hydrate and nourish skin. So, probiotic super dose face mask. It's got real Greek yogurt in it. You can't even see it. So there's a half of it where it's in English and then there's other half where it's a complete Greek. Apply a rich layer on skin, dry cleansed face, avoiding the eye area, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off thoroughly. Okay, cute. Let's smell it. Oh, that has got a scent to it. Of course I did, of course I did. It literally just looks like yogurt. It smells. The first scent that I got smelled nice and then that's why I froze because it didn't smell nice after that. I feel like I'm getting a different scent every time I smell it, which is really weird. I'm going to leave that on my hand for 10 to 15 minutes and see how that goes because it's literally just disappeared into my hand, like you can't see it anymore. Oh, you can just see it glisten. Ooh. I didn't open this one, so I'm going to open this one and see what it smells like. My nail polish just came off. Oh, that smells nice. It's a bit sticky. What does this have in it? Nothing that I would know. Okay, well, that's quite nice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 items, which is quite cute. I don't really know what to do now. And I've got all this stuff inside it as well. And it's literally just joined together. So, I think I signed up for the 12 months one, I think. Because it was like, well, the cheapest one I say. Obviously, it's still kind of more expensive because you're still paying £13 every month. But yeah, that is really cute. So if you ever do think of getting a beauty box, look fantastic. It's actually quite cute. I think it's nice to like see different brands, you know, especially if it's brands that you haven't heard of. I've never heard of Dr. Lip. Like I've heard of these before, but I've never heard of this brand. Like there's a lot of them going around with that. Actually, I didn't open it. Let me open it and see what I got. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Oh my god, okay, I'm like obsessed with soft things, so. Okay, so they have quite a few things at this brand. This is what it looks like. I really just want to try it, but it is so soft, oh my god. It literally just looks like a little baby blanket. Okay, now it's not going back in the box. Do you know when those things happen? When you take something out of the box and then it doesn't fit back in the way that you took it out? But it's like, bro. So that is all the things. As I said, it's nice to hear from like some brands that you haven't really seen before, like or heard of before. I feel like I've heard of that before. And this one, I've heard of Balance Me because we have that at Boots. I do have a hyaluronic acid spray from beause. It'd probably be quite similar. They didn't use the word rejuvenate though. I love the word rejuvenate. I'm gonna put the brow gel on and see what the colour is. I have too much gel on my brows. It's not moving. Whoa! Did you see that big clump? That one's not budging. This one budged quite nicely, but like a big clump just came. So I had to kind of spread it out. I think I did all right. Okay, anyway, moving on. I'm just gonna end up with like my room full of these boxes. But they could be good for storing stuff. I mean, we could look all these things up and see how much they cost. It might tell me in this box actually, because it did tell me what I'm gonna get. Oh, okay. So I paid £13 for this box, yeah? Wipe out is £10 and this is £3. So that's already £13, just those two items. And then this is £10. Oh, it says remove excess product from the brush and apply in upward strokes. I did not remove the excess, that's why there was a clump. Okay, this says it's worth £100. Oh, hey, that's something different. Enlighten. Okay, well it says that in the box, it says that I should get this, which is something different. So this is Age Defy, and what they've given me is Age Restore. So I don't know how much it could be. Worth £100. I doubt they would put something worth £100 in there. It's the same brand. Well, that says worth 100, so. And then this one is worth £9.40, and then this little one here is worth £10. So I mean, in the first two products, I already hit £13. But yeah. Ooh, okay. It's showing me how I can use the lip tint. So it says I can use it as a nice glossy lid or a cheek tint or highlight, and then obviously on the lips. That's cute. In this month's beauty box, we focused on bringing you gentle beauty products that are suitable for even the most sensitive of skin tones. In 2020, we've made our boxes completely recyclable, in line with our mission to be more eco-friendly. Better yet, in this month's box, we've worked hard to create a collection of reusable or multi-use products. It's the small steps that can make a big difference. Oh, it's giving me a June sneak peek. I don't want a sneak peek. I want to be surprised. I don't know if I'll do monthly videos of this. Closing up. I'm closing it up. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do look into getting a Look Fantastic box, you have a little bit of knowledge of what you're going to be getting. You get something different every month. But yeah. If you did like that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you want notifications from me, because I'm trying to film videos and upload every week. Don't hold me to it, but if you do want notifications of when I upload, whenever it may be, hit the notification button. I hope everybody is surviving in quarantine. Who knows what Boris Johnson is going to do, but I'm staying at home. Fingers crossed. I feel like the more you stay at home though, the more anxious you get to go outside. Like if you haven't been outside for a long time, then my anxiety is just rising and rising. Like, you know, when you haven't done something for a while and then your anxiety rises and rises to actually do that thing that you were fine with doing beforehand. So if you do want me to do a video of that every month just to see what I've got or just try out the products, then let me know in the comments. But yeah, other than that, have a lovely, lovely day, sending loads and loads and loads of love. Peace. Rejuvenate. Interesting. Let me get a thumbnail. See what I got, mind you. I'm not even reading it, I'm just literally flicking through it. Oh, I just scratched myself. Okay, I'm just having a great day right now. I'm having a great day. Okay, anyway. It says apply to thin. Oh my god, I can't speak. Oh, my foot's gone numb. Oh my god, my foot's gone numb. My bed's gone. Ah. That's gonna be the opposite way around to you, but oh wow. Match. How do I open this? How do I open this? I literally just ripped stuff apart. Okay. Natural. My bro. Oh, I can't breathe. Let's get out. You can stay there for now. No, don't eat it. Not today because I just done my makeup and I look cute. Nope, can't do it because I just. Sorry. Wang wang, walla walla bing bang. Ching chang, walla walla bing bang.